Bitcoin, we start with daily chart. And first of all, if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for 100K. Okay, and almost the price didn't tag exact 100K, but we see the price near, exact, almost near. We see 99,300. Okay, that's why I mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 100. Even we have the looking for 100 as a target, and we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 100, following by 100 at 11. We mentioned we want to see the breakout of this zone. Then if we get, then we can look for 150 and 150 and 180K. All right. Anyway, the price that almost tag on 100K. Now we are looking for this correction. How deep this correction can be. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with monthly chart. We want to see what we have been looking for. Based on monthly chart, we have been looking for 100 and the price almost tagged. Then we with the breakout of the 100, we have been looking for 111, and we mentioned with the breakout of this zone we can look for 150 following by 180K. Okay, then we don't see any more information, even we don't see the divergence. That means we're looking for continuation. And if we move to weekly chart, we see we have a divergence. Okay, that even if in my last analysis I mentioned if the price couldn't break the this zone following by divergence, we can look for the correction. That's why the possibility for to get the correction, daily correction, based on within this below 100K, and even we can expect the price we get the weekly correction. That means the price consolidate here for deeper longer time before we see the continuation. Okay, but because we have a divergence, even we see here and here, and but we are not looking for the reversal. Okay, and in this case, we just follow, I mean, we don't see any trade setup, any more information based on the weekly. That's why we move to lower time frame. We move to the daily chart. All right. Since the price couldn't break the 100, then if it start to drop, how deep it can go, we can look for 88,300. If there is a breakout, we can look for 81,500, following by 76. The possibility for the price to drop to 76 is very low. Okay, that's why we can expect the price to consolidate here. I mean, we will be within here, then we see the continuation. Okay, then if anyone wants to look for buy, they should know how deep this one can go. Okay, rather than that, I don't see any more information, and even I don't see any trade setup. But the breakout of this one, especially 100 and 111, this is what I'm pointing on, is very important for us. Then because with the breakout of this zone we can look for 150 and above. Okay, and if you want to look for trade, we can look for trade based on lower time frame, either 4 hour or 1 hour chart. We see since we had a divergence, we explained my last analysis, that's why we get this drop. And now I'm looking at this, any opportunity for buy from here we can look for. Then with the breakout of, do you want to see how sharp the price can break this top? That's mean how sharp the price can break 100. Okay, okay. Then if the prices start to drop, we just let it go. If the prices start to drop with the breakout of this low following by the divergence, any reversal from there will be the best to look for trade. But we don't need to wait for this option. Any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But if there is a continuation as a corrective, we shouldn't keep the trade. Even if you want to keep the trade, move our stop loss to break even. Because if the price continue from here and there was no breakout of 100K, maybe we can expect the sharp drop following by breakout of the 88, even the price drop to somewhere around 80K. Okay, then if I move to lower time frame, if I move to 1 hour chart, how we can look for trade, the only option is to put our entry above here. It's not a really good trade setup, it's risky, but if anyone wants to look for trade by having entry above here, we want to price sharply, tag, break, and continue the price tag. We see there is no continuation, then we shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours, but we should consider if we put our entry above here, there this gap somewhere is, the price is between 95 somewhere around 97. Okay, that's why I'm not really interested to put my entry above here. Anyway, even we cannot simply buy from here because we can expect the continuation as a corrective. Anyway, if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And things is we want to see the breakout of the 100k. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.